Dear students, in this video, I'll show you how to upload assignment. First of all, go to padlet.com Satish KVR Python assignment, the website where you are supposed to, upload your assignments. Once you reach there, click on the plus button. So a window will open. In the title, you write your name. Here I am writing my name as okay, Satish is my name. Probably I'll write my USN 1 RN 19 MCA. Okay, 25. Okay, this is my answer to that question. Okay, I will write my answer. My answer is something something. So I write something something something. My answer is writing. And I happen to see upload the picture of the Python inventor, Python programming inventor. So I can choose some Python programming inventor. Okay. It's camera. In fact, it is not the one. So I can search, I can upload here. Yeah. Pick a file. I can upload and pick a file. So probably I can choose some file, Python inventor. So probably I can write. I can do that. Okay, I'll do something and I'll upload. Yeah, uploading that file. You can see some file is uploaded. So that's it. Once this is done, your assignment is uploaded. Yes. And finally, it comes to me. I will grade it. I'll grade whether it is A grade or B grade or whatever it is. So I'll grade it out of 10. What is the marks that I'll going to give? So that I'll grade it. So that's all you have to do. Write your answer on the top, your name and your son. Write your answer and image of that Python inventor. That's my first assignment. Okay. And remember, unless everybody submit the assignments, you cannot see other assignment, other students, other friends, other your classmate, what is that they have done. So but it will be appearing to me. Unless I approve, it will not be displaying here. This is my first step to upload the assignment. That's all, dear students. Hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you.